How to apply Glam Beauty Natural Magnetic Lashes with Lash Grip Liner. Before getting started, apply all eye makeup including a very light coat of mascara. Shake Glam Lash Grip Liner and apply 3 coats of liner, pressing firmly for a generous application of liner. No drying time is needed in between coats. Make sure the line is as thick as the magnets on the lash band. Allow liner to dry 60 seconds after the final coat. Don't wait for the liner to dry completely. The liner should feel slightly tacky when you put on your lashes. Place magnetic lashes directly over the liner using either the lash applicator or your fingertips. Press the lashes firmly onto the liner with your fingertips. The Lash Grip Liner is perfect for that no makeup look. Allow the liner to finish drying for 5 minutes. Glam lashes are easy to use, natural looking, with just the right amount of glam to feel beautiful.